The next action to take in our 5 critical weekly optimizations to use in PPC Scope is addressing toxic search terms. These are the search terms that have 0 sales. So once again, I'm going to use the Advanced Analysis report. This is going to be under Analyze and Improve and Advanced, the Advanced Analysis tab. And I can select 30 days or 60 days in order to view search terms in a batch. I'm also going to select the campaigns that are directly related to the products that I currently am focusing on right now. I'm going to set the minimum clicks to 5 clicks, and I'm going to set the maximum orders to 0 orders, and then I'll select filter. In this example, we just have a few search terms that have come back that have 0 sales to them. I can also add on additional columns such as impressions and last click in order to get some additional information as far as how recently these have received clicks, as well as what kind of impressions that these search terms are getting. Now we have a limited number of search terms that came back in this example. These each have 0 orders, and they have the minimum number of clicks in order for us to take action on as a toxic search term or a 0 sale search term. You can also use the filters in order to focus your attention based on what your priority is. The number of clicks, the most lost as far as net revenue. With this short list, it's pretty easy. I can either select the entire batch or I can select individual ones. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select the entire batch. These are going to be added to Change Manager, which is the approval stage before we push those directly up to your campaign manager in Amazon. And each of these will be added as a negative exact match keyword within the ad group that they reside in, that each of these search terms reside in. So I'm going to add these selected search terms into Change Manager. And of course, it shows that I've added in 5 additional search terms to Change Manager awaiting my approval. So I can go into Change Manager and I can see what changes that I need to approve. I can see that I've done some earlier negative match terms that I just haven't approved yet. And then I have these new search terms that I've added in since. And then when I'm ready, I can implement the changes and have PPC Scope push each of these negative exact match terms up to Amazon in order to implement into each of the ad groups.